degrees outside, snow on the ground. Looks like it's going to be a chilly night. We're all snuggled up in bed here in the back of the truck. The GoPro's hardly working. It says the battery's too cold. Got a hot water bottle. Nalgene with hot water for Ziggy girl and I to share here. Mostly for Ziggy. Ziggy was kind of having a hard time. Her paws got icy and muddy. She was romping around. She wasn't really having a hard time. She was having a great time. I just had to wash her paws off with some hot water and then tried to get her in the back of the truck without getting down on the ground again. Huge debacle. Anyways, it's 2 in the morning. I'm tired. We're going to bed. Out here at this hot spring spot I know of. I'm about to get in the pool here. Already disrobed, buck-ass naked. I don't know how cold it is, but it was 18 degrees last night and it's pretty damn cold right now. This hot spring, it used to be a galvanized metal trough, I believe. I've got photos I'll have to dig up at home. I don't know what happened to it. They replaced it with this stupid plastic one. Ziggy, what do you think? There also used to be koi fish in these little ponds here, but it doesn't look like anyone's really been taking care of this for a while, so. Alright, I'm getting chilly. Hey, what are you doing? Okay. Gonna make a little coffee out here in the springs. I've done this many times before. Katie and I actually cooked dinner on the bench in the tub with our propane camp stove. It was December, it was 0 degrees out on the dashboard, I remember. It was freezing cold. So we got in the springs and I think we had some chili or something that we heated up on the stove. You've got to be a skilled professional. Ziggy, get out of there. All right. Just need to get it. Woo! Alright, that's good. Alright. Okay, I think our water's boiling. Alright. Woo! Woo! Alright, how much water we got? I think I got enough for us in here. Add more there. That's good. Got a nice bloom going on. Letting the water go through a bit. That's it. Pretty good. Ziggy girl. Can't whistle. Whistler's all. Listen. Oh, I made a full coffee, man. Woo! It's gonna be hot too. Oh yeah. Woo! I want to burn my sweet little tongue. I always feel this like pressure to like move and keep going. I've really been trying to slow down, stay in one spot longer. I like having enough time when I move in too. That way I can, you know, stop and make a photograph if I see something. Last night when we were driving out here, there was like some kind of outbuilding maintenance, you know, like highway worker kind of shed building. I mean, a pretty good sized building off the side of the freeway. It was like right past a sort of like a truck way station or whatever, but a street, like a light on a pole, a big tall street light, and the light was like flashing, and it just like there's snow out. You know, I always regret the pictures I haven't made and the things I didn't, you know, get off the bike or pull over or stop and put my backpack down for a sec and make a photo of. I saw this going by, and it was just this one dark building, and it was snowy, really snow-covered landscape in the background, and the light was just kind of pulsing. It was like flickering or whatever. I saw it, and I was like, oh man, I want to get out and make a short little video of that, you know, and but it was like there was nowhere really to pull over easily. It was on the freeway, you know. By the time I got to the next, you know, off ramp or whatever to like turn back around, it was, you know, I went like 2 miles further down, you know. It was just like I kept going. 10:30, 11 o'clock at night, I didn't get here until almost 1 a.m. It was like, I hate that feeling of being rushed or having to go somewhere, you know, like, but I just want to sit and have my pour over in this hot spring here. No one else around. Well, yeah. What a soak though. All right. All right, come on, girl. Come on. We gotta go.